getting hot outside. What are we craving to eat after a long, hot school day? That's right, chocolate marble ice cream. This recipe is super easy and yummy without using ice cream machine. Start by pouring some heavy cream into a large bowl. Grab your hand mixer and whip the cream until it becomes thick and fluffy. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. In a separate bowl, pour in condensed milk and vanilla extracts. Stir them well. Let's prepare the chocolate. We're using the microwave to melt the chocolate. Start with 30 seconds and then stir the chocolate. Put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds and stir well. Repeat this step until the chocolate is fully melted. Now gently fold the whipped cream into the condensed milk mixture. Mix it carefully until everything is smoothly blended. Pour the mixture into a container and smooth the top. Now drop the melted chocolate in. Use a chopstick to gently swirl the chocolate to create a pretty marble effect. Pop it in the freezer and let it set for a few hours. Now it's time to taste the ice cream. Using your favorite cup, scoop a couple of balls of chocolate marble ice cream. For an extra touch of taste, let's add a drizzle of chocolate syrup and rainbow sprinkles for an extra pop of colors. The ice cream is very creamy and has a perfect amount of chocolate in each bite. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time!